Hey, Yamez here with Allen Metal Forge. Need a tool, make a tool. I need a swedge kind of system. And I saw a nice little how-to or nice little video on a hardy swage from Black Bear Forge a while back, and I'm going to try and do something similar. I got some axle stock that I have. I believe it's 4140, but I'm not sure. It's mystery steel. It is my understanding that with this, you can do it with mild steel. Doesn't matter. It's more durable if you use a tool steel, and I believe this is a tool steel. It's a bit big for my anvil, or for my hardy pole, so I'm gonna break down one side to get it to fit. I'm gonna bend that, put it in, and bend it down so that it sits in there nicely. And then I got a nice length here, so I can add bits as I need them. But I'm just gonna do like a 1/2 inch round and maybe a 1/2 inch not round, angle, square. So anyway. So, I've completed, half the tool. I still need to do some, angles, some square and some 30-degree angle. I just have to get the stock to hammer it in like you saw me do with each of these three swedges. So let me pull you up, and it's a quick and dirty tool. I just need it to work on rounding out different size stock, or bringing one stock down and keeping it nice and round, and then when I make a tentacle, I'll set it in there and then flatten one side of it as it gets smaller, so that I can have a place to punch the eyes. That's why I needed this. Anyway, nice and simple solution to a hardy swage, if you don't have a swedge block. Yeah, it just sits in your boom and boom. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that, and I hope you give it a try. Like I said, this is, I'm trying this from a video that I saw from John Switzer over at Black Bear Forge. I'll put his link in here in a moment. And yeah, I hope to try many other projects, and like see a video. Let me try and see if I can do that, and I'll make it and share it with you guys how I do. Anyway, that's all I got for today. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. This is Yamez with Adam Mello Forge saying hearts and health. The subscribe button right here, and here's John Switzer's video about this exact tool. And let me throw down over right here, a nice little